Got these rules. I'm going to let you read them. You can always press pause and read them yourself. I think an example helps illustrate everything. So we do 6.1 divided by 3.2. We can rewrite that division problem as a fraction as 6.1 over 3.2. And the top number is the dividend, bottom number is divisor. So when I talk about dividends and divisors, you know what I'm talking about. First number, dividend, second number, divisor. So let's actually do the math here. I'm going to be doing long division for this guy because that's probably the easiest way to illustrate this. So it's going to be 3.2 into 6.1. Checking the signs. Hey man, everything's positive, so we're cool. We're going to get a positive answer. Clear decimal divisor, move decimal quotient area. What does this mean? Well, I need to make this 3.2 a 32. If I do this here to the divisor, I need to move the decimal and the dividend as well. So now the new decimal point is here. Big thing is I move the decimal in the quotient area. That's going to be the decimal point here. That's the big thing in the answer area, the quotient area. And then I'm going to do a few placeholder zeros. I do one more decimal place than instructor says because I got to check if I'm going to round up or keep the number on that last digit. So I did step 2 and step 3 here. Only go as many decimal places as instructor says. We'll do that when we do this example. So now 32 into 61 goes one time. 1 times 32 is 32. Draw the line, change the sign. 61 minus 32, that's 29. I'm going to drop one of my zeros here. So 32 into 290 goes 9 times because 9 times 32 is 288, which is awesomely close to 290. Draw the line, change the sign. 290 minus 288 is 2. I'm going to drop another 0. 32 doesn't go into 20, so I'm going to put a 0 right there. And when I do that, that means I can drop down another 0. So 32 into 200 goes 6 times because 6 times 32 is 192. Draw the line, change the sign, I have 8. So look, the answer is 1.906. Instructor might say, hey, 2 decimal places. Since this last digit is 5 or higher, I'm going to round up. I'm going to round this digit up, the 0. So my answer will actually be 1.91. Okay, next example will be a little more complicated. I get that in the next video.